ago. She wasn't seriously hurt, but as you can see, the car is in its current condition. The body panels are scratched, and the rear drum is cracked. At the time, my friend Yu drove to Riemann and brought the car back here. The lady said this car has brought her a lot, so she wants to take this opportunity. She wondered if she could take this opportunity to upgrade it, so we're getting ready to start upgrading this car. Our battle-damaged Ninja 400 is now fully serviced. What upgraded parts did we use to replace the original components on this Ninja 400, which we fixed by upgrading instead of repairing? First of all, for the master cylinder and clutch, we used a Brembo clutch master cylinder. This time we chose the Fengrui brand for it, including the handlebars, which are also from Fengrui because the previous handlebars were worn out. So this time we simply replaced them with clip-on handlebars. The original upper triple clamp was also noticeably deformed. So this time, we directly replaced it with an upgraded product. The owner of the Hongri preferred the silver upper triple clamp, especially the silver cable clamp part. We used an EM50 ESS caliper, paired with a radial adapter bracket and an American Kapachi racing brake disc, which is fully floating and features a custom silver inner hub. Doesn't this match the body of the bike perfectly? The previous accident also caused damage to the original foot pegs, so this time we upgraded to the Fengrui Pro model foot pegs as well. The looks are really on point. As for the drivetrain, we also upgraded it this time. From the small sprocket in the front to the large sprocket in the back, everything has been upgraded. We even replaced the chain with a Soundstar racing grade chain. Let me put it this way. With the power of this bike, it's almost impossible to snap this chain. As for the tires, we've also upgraded them to Pirelli 5 3SP Big Lightning tires. Even though they're semi-slicks, their grip is way better than the stock tires. That wraps up the explanation of the repair process for this battle-damaged Ninja 400. Thank you all for watching patiently. Follow me to learn more racing tips and knowledge.